So, have you anytime wondered, are there any particular profession apart from being joining into the corporate field or any kind of litigation? Are there any kind of government exams for law students as well as for lawyers? If yes, if you people have wondered about that particular question, then this video is for you. Guys, today's video is very important because today I'll be explaining about 5 important kind of government jobs or government exams which you as a law student after finishing a graduation, or it could be within that particular time frame, what are the ways in which you can approach these kind of exams and what are the kinds of exams. These 5 exams I'll be just telling in you a very quick brief, and along with that I'll be providing you few important links which you need to keep in your mind while preparing for such kind of exams in this particular video. So please do make sure that you watch the video till the end because your essence of learning is going to be huge. So as being said that, if you're a law student and if you're willing to start with any kind of your government exam ka preparation, then it is very essential for you to note down which are the very important kind of exams. So I'll be listing out 5 important kind of exams. In the upcoming video, I'll be explaining the further next 5 important kind of exams. The first one is about the Union Public Service Commission. So those of you who do not know what is UPSC exam, for example, if you're not a first generation lawyer or if you have not heard about this UPSC system, then you can know that in our country we have IAS officers, IFS officers, IPS officers, IRS, Indian Revenue Officers, Indian Administrative Officers, Indian Police Service Officers. So all this kind of officers, this selection, it is basically done through this exam called as UPSC Civil Service Examination. And this exam has basically 3 levels. One is prelims, mains, and then you have an interview. So it's very important for you to clear all these 3 things for entering into this any of these particular kind of professions. And especially if you're a law student, it is going to be a little more advantage for you because majority of your subjects are going to be linked towards law. Along with it, there's something called as an optional paper. So in this optional paper also, you'll be getting an opportunity to study law. There is multiple optional papers which you can select, but if you're a law student in specific, you can even choose the law profession law optional paper, so that it's going to literally help you a lot. So this is one such exams which you can keep in your mind. And the next very important kind of exams is about the state public service examination. Don't worry, the syllabus link I'll be putting up in the description box. You can basically use it for your reference so that even you can also start preparing on it. And if you feel that I have to post more videos on UPSC, you can even do let me know. I shall surely post more videos on it. Okay, now the next is about state public service examination, like how UPSC is conducted by the central level for the selection of IAS officers, IPS officers, IFS officers, Indian Revenue Officers. Similar way, within the state level, there's something called as State Public Service Commission exam. Okay, so in this State Public Service examination, within the state level, they select their own government employees. For example, like KAS officers. Like I'm speaking specific to Karnataka, like we have Karnataka Administrative Services, even those kind of officers, or it could be Tahsildar. Not Tahsildar, I mean like Nazir. So different kind of posts is also applicable. And there is FDA exam, SDA exam, first division assistant, second division assistant. You can even apply for such kind of exams. I'll be putting up the syllabus. This is Karnataka in specific because I'm coming from Karnataka. That's the reason I put the link over here. To understand the syllabus, you can go check in the government portals. But as I said, if you want more depth knowledge regarding how to prepare in specific to these subjects, do let me know in the comments. I'll be very happy to post it. And next comes towards SSC, that is about the Staff Selection Commission conducts SSC exam. So if you have heard about this particular kind of this judge advocate general, so in case if you are a student and if you're willing to be part of the defense field, then you can surely apply for judge advocate general. So in judge advocate general, what is the beauty is that you get to work like advocate, especially representing in terms of army cases, or it could be defense, army, navy, air force in specific, towards the defense field related towards it. But about JAG, I'll be providing you much detail later. But for the time being, just understand that there is also something called a JAG. You can understand the scope, what is there beyond what other people are telling you. Apart from corporate, also there's much other fields which is available for you. That I just want to emphasize. And then comes to our fourth important component, that's about RBI grade B exam. That's about the legal officer. So in case if you would like to become a legal officer, especially in terms of RBI, they basically conducts a written examination as well as an interview for it. Please do apply for it. Here you get an opportunity to deal with different kind of legal issues as well as of different departments, drafting legislations, everything regarding the banking aspect, and majority of about the financial management of a country. All that you get an opportunity to learn only and only once you try to clear the exam. So it's also a beautiful exam system. You can surely apply for it. There's a very good scope for it. That also is possible for you. And here comes to our next important aspect, that's about the SEBI grade A recruitment. So even Security and Exchange Board of India, they basically require legal officers, for assisting, managing, as well as every aspect of legal related aspect is basically conducted by these people. Okay. And morely they basically take up a student who has completed their graduation. Most of these exams, they just take only after they finish the graduation. But for UPSC, in your fifth year itself, you can, in case if it's a 5-year LLB course, in your fifth year itself, you can attempt for the exam. But for other courses, it's very important for you to finish your LLB. That's compulsory for it. And what is the course for it, syllabus for it, I'll be putting over here. But all regarding the Security Exchange Board of India, all kind of legal aspect, you get to work like a legal officer and deal with that particular issues. So this is basically possible through the SEBI system, SEBI grade A recruitment. So these are the 5 kinds of exams you need to keep in your mind, which majority of you are not aware. And many of the colleges, they just focus only on corporate basis. So it was like very angry. I was like, why these people are doing like this? So then I thought a shift. Okay, let me just show you about the 5 important kind of government exams, or which you people can apply, after being a law student. And there are multiple ample amount of opportunities. Please don't get drained only by corporate field. There is multiple fields. In the upcoming videos, I'll be surely explaining about. So until then, goodbye, take care. And if you do like this video, please do like, share, and subscribe. And there's one more challenge for you. In case you like any of the aspect which I explained in today's video, please do put that in the comment. The best comment I'll be just taking up and I'll be posting in my next video, so that let's play a challenge one-to-one system. So wishing you all the best, good luck, and take care. Goodbye.